Hi everyone, in this video we're going to review and test eXtremeRate's PS4 Decade Controller Upgrade Kit. So let's get started and unbox the package. Here is the new controller shell, we'll check it out in just a minute. Everything else that you need to install the upgrade kit is also provided, including set of screwdrivers, screws, remap electronics, back buttons and trigger stock buttons. There is a step-by-step picture guide on how to install the kit, and there is also a dedicated video, the link of which will be in the description of this video. And there's the new completely redesigned controller front and back shells. This particular design is called Nebula Galaxy, and the front plate also has a soft touch surface which feels really nice and solid in your hands. The back plate is textured as well for a better grip. The next step is to install the upgrade kit. Basic hand-on skills are required and the whole process shouldn't take more than 30 to 40 minutes. When you're done, you end up with a completely redesigned and upgraded PS4 controller. Everything feels nice and solid and the build quality is actually pretty impressive. Let's take a look at the 4 programmable back buttons, which I think are the highlights of this upgrade kit. You can assign a total of 15 buttons to the back buttons, but keep in mind that you can remap one function to each back button. For example, I've remapped the triangle button to the K1 button, the X button to the K3 button, and so on. And now we'll proceed with the review of the controller and see how it performs by testing it in an actual gameplay.
You can cut that out right now. Yeah, okay, boy. Sounds like I heard what you heard. Hey, watch yourself. Not good. I shouldn't have to put you.
Think he's trying to find his way back to the
Hey!
local bin?
I warned you. You're as good as dead. Hey, next time, good drain could work out.
Where's the law at?
Come on, boy. That's right, all right. Let it go!
You gonna give me calls when you this is finished well?
Damn it! Patrick!